Aloha Internet fam, I'm Sarah and this is my channel, Maui Wise Movement. I have a great glute exercise for you today. It's going to be intense, non-stop for 7 minutes. So keep going, follow along with me. It's going to be great. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you look in the description box below, there is a donation link to donate to my channel. Get off that chair and meet me on the mat. Okay, remember, just follow along with me. I'm not going to be talking a lot because I'm going to be doing the workout with you. So let's go. Let's get started. We have standing reverse kicks to start. Come to the top of your mat. And we're going to be squatting down, looking over the shoulder, and kicking back. Squatting down, looking over the shoulder, and kicking back. Here we go. We got 60 seconds. Stay low. Great, all the way down, hands behind, reverse tabletop here. We're going to squeeze and lower. Squeeze at the top. Good. All the way onto your side. And we're going to be doing butterflies. And I want you to pretend like there's a huge weight on this top leg. And you're squeezing against that weight. Good, big circles. So we're coming forward, up, and around. You can come all the way down to the elbow for this one. Good, we're squeezing in and kicking out. See if you can get that heel to go up first. Good. And then all the way up onto the elbow again. Push this bottom knee into the ground. Top leg is straight. We're pushing up and down. Squeeze up and down. Good. All the way onto your other side. And we got butterflies. So down and squeeze up. Good. We got big circles coming forward, up and around. Good. Bring the knee into the chest and kick out. Into the chest and kick out. Good. And then up onto the forearm again. This knee's down into the ground, top knee straight. Pushing up and slowly lower down. Good. All the way onto your back now. Put those feet wide, and we're pushing up into bridge. Hands can be wherever is most comfortable. And for this one, I really want you to just try to tuck that tailbone and bring it up to the sky. Tailbone up to the sky. Good job. Go ahead and let's do a stretch, just a figure four. Bring that right ankle onto your knee and squeeze that knee into the chest. Three deep breaths on that side. Cross the ankle over and figure four. Bring the knee into the chest. And three nice slow breaths. Good. Slowly unwind. Find yourself on your seat. Thank you so much for joining me today as we stay here in Hawaii. Mahalo nui loa, and I'll see you next video.